how to use page breaks. This is your manuscript of your dissertation. Of course, each chapter should be longer than this, but this is just an example of using page break. For example, each chapter should start on a new page. After we use headings, which gives you a very nice navigation pane right here. If you want to know how to set up the navigation pane, check out my previous video. Here, I will introduce how to use page break. Select chapter 2, go to Insert, Page Break. This makes sure every chapter starts on a new page. The same applies to references. For example, the reference is in the middle of a page, and we need to use page break. Again, go to Insert, select Page Break. And now our references start on a new page. The references are random text, and the journal and the volume number should be italicized. For your writing, you always need to double check your original source.